Hi, I'm Cindy Roth. I'm the President, CEO of the Greater Riverside Chambers of Commerce. We are so excited to invite you to join us at the 17th Annual Virtual Riverside College and Career Fair on September 30th. Connecting virtually gives us the opportunity to bring you resources from across the country. Whether you're looking to stay local or wanting to explore your options, there will be something for you at the College and Career Fair.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Lynn Larson, professor at Brandman University and chair of the Riverside College and Career Fair. This event is a one-stop opportunity for you and your family to attend free workshops, receive free information about applying for college, and to explore how to find your career pathway. You will be able to connect with a variety of higher education colleges and universities and explore the many avenues available to you both locally and nationally.
Hello! My name is Bansuri Parikh, and I am the president of Bank of America for the Inland Empire. Bank of America is proud to be the title sponsor for the Riverside College and Career Fair for 17 years. We understand the importance of having a solid education and the extra tools our young people need to secure satisfying, rewarding careers, and have seen firsthand the positive outcomes from this event. Our local businesses are there to guide you with information on what careers you can pursue and what education you may need to get there. Take this opportunity to be able to ask questions and receive immediate answers. On behalf of my many Bank of America colleagues in the Inland Empire, we are happy once again to support the annual Riverside College and Career Fair.
We're also excited to offer the opportunity to receive in-depth information through our live virtual workshops presented by experts on topics such as financial aid, public safety careers, budgeting for college, transitioning from high school to college, healthcare careers, and college admissions. If college isn't the next step for you, you can learn about apprenticeships and certificate programs that can help you secure a great job for the future.
So whether you're a freshman leaving your future open, a senior exploring your plentiful options after graduation, or a college student considering career paths, the Riverside College and Career Fair has something to offer you. This year's event promises to be our best, and you won't want to miss it.
The Riverside College and Career Fair is a great opportunity to discover where your passion may lead you and how to get there. Some of the businesses you can look forward to meeting are Southern California Edison, Riverside Medical Clinic, FedEx Ground, and the California Air Resources Board. Join us online on September 30th to ask questions, gather resources, and prepare for your future now. We can't wait to see you.